Hi there, welcome to Chili's.
Oh my gosh, I just found a gigantic bucket of toy soldiers. That is incredible. You know what this giant bucket of soldiers is? I'll show you what it is. Let me get my luggage. Let's check this out. Stairs. Boy, wasn't that fun. All right, here I am in my room. It's in a Toy Story themed building, and here, let's check this room out. This is kind of cool. It's been newly remodeled and everything. All right, got our cool little refrigerator right there. You can see what's in there. Our little cool coffee pot, ice bucket, little storage area, chest of drawers. You need to put anything in your safe. There it is. Uh-oh. I hope I didn't mess that up. Better clear it. Okay, let's close this. Alright. We got one bed, and you have your phone and stuff right there, and me squeaking. Check that out. Does it turn on? Oh, ho, ho. There's one side turns on. What about the other side? Oh yeah, look at that. Pretty nifty. Got some cushy pillows. Got a little storage area here. Little storage area there. Your bathroom. Oh, I should close this. Bathroom area. Places to hang your coats. Like you really need a coat. Like you really need a coat here in Florida. Your bathroom area. Here's your toilet. Some call it a commode. Towel rack. Ooh, look at this. That's pretty fancy. Shower. Holy cow, look at that shower. Is that for an elephant? And then you have, I don't know, I always wondered what this was for, and now I know. You hang your shorts or your wet clothes. Check this out. Clothes like that. Pretty nifty. Place to hang our clothes and extra pillows and extra stuff there if you need to do some ironing. Ah, it's hot. Alright. Blow dryer. Ooh, just broke the blow dryer. I'll just throw it down there. Alright. Tissues, more storage spaces. Let's go for the infinity look. Can we do this? Let's see. Let's flip this around this way. Aha. There. There's a couple of me. Wait. Oh, right there. There it is. Can you see it? Infinity and beyond. That turns on too if you need to do your makeup. Sweet. Now, you only see one bed, but there's three of us, and we're not all three going to sit on this bed. There's another spot for a bed in here. You're not going to believe this. Oh, but we have our big TV set. Lots of plug-ins all over the place. Always need that. TV set. Oh, yeah. But this is what it's about. Check this out. Watch. Ready for this? Oh yeah! Too cool. Hideaway bed. Always can use a hideaway bed. And that's a tour of our motel room. Pretty sweet place. Hopefully it's nice and quiet. We'll see you tonight. See you later.